Prime factorization. Okay, before we proceed, let us first know what are prime numbers or what is a prime number. A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that cannot be made by multiplying other whole numbers. So prime numbers are numbers whose factors are 1 and itself. Wala nang iba pang factor ang prime numbers kundi 1 lang and itself. So, example sa mga prime numbers are we have 2, we also have 3, we have 5, we have 7, we have 13, we have 17, we have 19, we have 23, and so on. Marami pa yan. So, these are prime numbers. These are the numbers whose factors is only 1 and itself. So, like for example, 2 times 1, 3 times 1, 5 times 1, 7 times 1. You cannot find any number na i-multiply mo na magiging sagot ay 13 except 13 times 1 or 1 times 13. Right? So, the same with 19, 23, okay. So, yun yung mga prime numbers. So, sa mga prime numbers na ito, pag i-multiply natin ang prime numbers, let's say, 2 times 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. This number na product of prime numbers, ang tawag sa kanya naman ay composite numbers. Composite. Okay, composite naman ang tawag sa kanya. So, opposite siya ng prime numbers. Kasi sa composite numbers, ito yung mga numbers who have many factors. Okay, more than 2 ang factors niya. Okay, so, for example, itong 6 na to, ang factors ng 6 ay 2 times 3 at saka 1 times 6. Diba? So, hindi, dalawang pair siya. Dalawang pair ang factors niya. Unlike sa 2, isa lang. 1 times 2 lang. At saka sa 3 naman, 1 times 3 lang. So, ito yung composite. Marami siyang factors. 2 pairs or more than ang kanyang mga factors. So, ano naman ang factors are the numbers you multiply together to get another number. So, we multiply these factors together to get a number. So, ano naman ang prime factorization? Ang prime factorization, prime. Okay. Prime factorization. Okay, ano naman ang prime factorization? Ang prime factorization is finding which prime numbers multiply together to make the original number. So, hanapin natin ang mga prime numbers na factor ng isang number or ng isang composite number. Like say, for example, 12. Example natin ang 12. If we are going to find out the factors of 12, through listing or by using this method, we have 1 times 12, right? We have 2 times 6, and then we have 3 times 4. So, these are the factors of 12. But, if we are going to find out the prime factors of 12, we will use the factor 3 method. Actually, there are 2 methods, yung continuous division method and the factor 3 method. So, we will use the factor 3. Ito yung factor 3 method. So, ang 12 na to, hanapan natin siya ng prime factors. Parang 3, parang puno lang siya. Parang Christmas tree. Okay, ano ba yung ipa-partner natin dito na number to get 12? Ano ba yung i-multiply natin? Factors of 12. Let's say, for example, 2 times 6. Okay, we have here 2 times 6. See, 2 times 6, we have this one as the prime number. Prime na siya, di ba? And then, the 6 here, yung 6 natin dito ay hindi pa siya prime number. So, we will have another branch here. Gagawa natin ng another branch pa siya. So, magiging, ano bang i-multiply natin para to obtain 6? We have 2 times 3. So, ang 2 na to ay prime, tapos ang 3 ay also prime na. So, ito na yung mga prime factors natin ng 12. So, the prime factors of 12 are 2 times 2 times 3. So, if we are going to multiply that, 2 times 2 equals 4 times 3 equals 12. So, yun yung prime factors of 12. Yan gamit ang factor 3 method. Another way to find the prime factors of 12, ang tawag doon ay continuous division method. Okay, continuous division method. Okay, continuous division method. Paano gagawin yon? Okay, so paano gagawin yon? Gagawin natin yan. Continuous division method. So, paano gagawin yan? 12. Kasi ito, minamultiply natin sa factor 3. Dito naman, magdi-divide naman tayo. 12 divided by 2. Okay, kasi 2, prime number ang 2 eh. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Tapos, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And then, 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Stop na tayo dito because this is already a 1, which is not a prime number nor a composite number. So, these are now the prime factors of 12. So, the same lang din. We have the same answer. The PF or the prime factors of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. Ito pa rin ang sagot natin. Okay, and this method is continuous division method and the other one is a factor 3 method. So, ito ang ibig sabihin ng prime factorization. Okay.